Warning, this video is not intended for children under the age of 13. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and go ahead and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the video. Okay, I am going to get that green. And by getting that green, I mean going to the grocery store and buying a bag of lettuce. Yeah. So come with me and enjoy. We're here. All right, got it. Now it's time to go home. And we're home. We're doing some walking. Mandy super slept. We both are
for 2
fully
hours?
rested. Yeah,
Hey, look.
we got about two
I have
hours
an
sleep.
obsession right now.
Uh huh. Yeah.
Korean pop. No, not Korean pop, but Korean drama.
She's got addicted to Korean soap operas. Or
Drama.
Korean soap dramas.
K-drama.
Yes.
K-drama, that's what it is.
Here.
So we're out walking, and this is actually the same place where we did like the skating, which was pretty fun. That's fun, right? No, I did not bring your grab stuff, so it's not what's jingling in my pocket.
What is it?
Let's see what's jingling in my pocket.
Oh no.
I brought my harmonica. No, you know, for music and stuff. No, don't put your headphones in. Don't put your headphones in. You haven't even heard
Play
me?
that and I will.
Oh. She doesn't like my harmonica skills.
That's because you don't have any.
A little bit, a smidge.
Go on this side is very fun. International Register.
We just saw a deer. I ran past. Miss Ringo.
Hey, you have a little pig. Time to say, don't you know the down driver? Go and take the flower. It's an hour.
Oh, she's listening to her headphones. Where's
I have one out.
Okay. You got this, baby. You got this.
Good
Morning.
I'm old and I'm fat. Screw off. And I'm not awake.
Oh, pretty hot and tempting? You are.
No. FAT.
No.
Fat.
No. PHAT. Sorry.
Oh! Where are you going? Unless you're going to that bench, I'm not going.
What?
Come on, Catherine. Where the hell are you going?
She wants to walk all the way down and come
No! Woo! Good job, Rich. Under Rich to the floor, my bitch. Oh.
No, you're not. You're lazy. There's a difference.
I know, I'm very lazy.
Old age made you lazy.
You need to pick a day where I stayed up for 2 days and slept all night.
You see the old man that rode by on the
You
bicycle?
said-
He wasn't walking.
Part of it right there.
My body been
So what is so good about the Korean?
I don't know.
They're
It's
so
Dramas.
sweet. They're
Sweet.
very sweet.
they're not.
I
They're
hate-
not.
They're not.
Hey, she
Don't judge a nation by its TV shows, okay?
yeah, please no. She showed me an episode where some lady was karate chopping some dude in the neck because he wanted to get off an airplane.
The best part.
That was the best part, though, for real.
Yeah, they don't take crap. And then they got this mentality of being shy and timid. The females do sometimes.
No, that's just a trick to get you in so they can slaughter you like a Black Widow.
Oh, you're thinking of Ringu and some Asian horror movies.
I just want to point out that I'm not really sure what it is. I don't know if it's because it's sweet or they don't curse. Yeah, they don't curse. That's a good thing because that means it gives me something to watch. But it's great acting. Even though you have to read it, it's still great acting.
Just because you have to read it doesn't make it bad. Don't try and run away from me. That was a downtrodden Indebeat. She can't hear me. She's listening to her music. You didn't know. If you didn't know, I can play the beginning. I can play the beginning to Kid Rock song "Cowboy." Here we go. Boo. Yeah. There you go. And then the song starts. But yeah, I can play it. I got no socks on. I'm rocking old shoes, no socks. White legs. I don't know what that is. Is it? Holy crap, it is a spider. That thing's big. It's big. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, almost lost my head. Yeah. Bathroom break. I'm not breaking right here. I mean, they're breaking. We're refilling up the water jugs.
There's a spider eating bug over here.
A spider-eating bug?
Yeah. There's a spider eating a bug.
Ah, seen that other spider. That thing was humongous.
Where?
I was walking down the path.
I didn't see it.
Oh, I'm coming. Would you
Does that look like a skull? It looks like a little skull, doesn't it? It's Jack Skellington in my coffee. What? Yo, legit, that looks like Jack Skellington's in my coffee. It's not even like death coffee. It's like just regular coffee. So, got this cup of coffee. And good morning to everyone. Hope you're having a good morning. I too am having a good morning. As you can see, good cup of coffee. It is warm, and I'm not gonna burn my lips. I want to drink it right now, but I gotta wait. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. I just want to say thank you, everyone, for joining me on this journey as I make videos and live life and stuff like that, and talk about movies and whatnot, and music, and all that other stuff. Just thank you for joining me on that journey. It's not actually as hot as I thought it was. Best day and best wishes to you and yours.